Hey guys, Alex from the Crypto Kings here, and we're just in the office. I thought I'd show you guys a little bit what we got going on today, so come on over. This is Marvin's computer here. We're building it, we're finishing up. This is going to get picked up and go out. This is one of our AMD builds. So this is designed to do a lot of Monero farming and things of that nature. This is where we run and to set up, program all the equipment, but we've been doing some new stuff as well. So I'll show you some other things coming over here. If you guys ever can't find cards in stock, I'll show you a secret. You can get these little, they're called the GPU external cases, the external harnesses for them. Well, if you take them apart, look what's inside. It's just a normal video card. So these guys came with the 1060s in them. So or 1070s, sorry. So we salvaged the 1070s out of these guys during the card shortage. We just sent one back for warranty, and we just got it back, so we're going to get the card out of it again. So that's what we're doing there. Come on over here. This is what a computer looks like apart. So this is going to be a 4-card NVIDIA miner. We're currently using the BioStar TB250 board. Our favorite power supply, of course, is the HX 1200 or the HXI 1200. Great power supplies, platinum all the way. We're going to throw up, it looks like two 1080s and two 1070 cards in this guy. As you can see, this is one of those cards we salvaged from the, so we use, this is the common parts that go into it. We use a single stick of RAM. We usually use the Celeron processors because they're inexpensive and they do a good job. This I'll show you guys, this is interesting. I don't know if all you miners have seen these. These are actually boards that allow you to interface multiple fans. So that'll let you hook up 8 fans to one fan adapter. Very cool. Of course, these are PCI risers. These are our preferred ones. The 007Cs. They actually have the fuses built in. So these are the ones we like. Yeah, come on, we'll go to the next spot. This is some of our personal equipment we're running right now, as you can see here. These are our latest 12-card design. We used to do the 12 cards in the wood racks, and now, due to the market evolving and the racks being accessible, we actually get these direct from China now. They work a lot better. Come on over here. It's our inventory wall. Now, I will let you mind that we have inventory over there. We have inventory under there. We've got inventory a little bit all over the place, but this is like the main spot. We're ready to take probably 6 or 7 12-card orders, get it out right away. So we're putting a couple computers together today. Now this is the new office, so come on over here. These guys here, we set these up as air-gapped laptops for crypto clients. So the problem with cryptocurrency is when you're creating your wallets or when you're logging into your exchanges, your bank account, your emails. If a hacker has gotten in your computer, then they can monitor all that stuff. And so even if you're using a hardware wallet, they can hack you in other ways. They can recover your email passwords and things. So we build out what's called air-gapped laptops for our clients. And we wipe these laptops clean. We run fresh custom installs on it with a special operating system. And the idea is that once this computer is reset, it will have never been connected to the internet. So there's no chance of malware or hackers or malicious software getting in there. And we provide those to our higher end scale clients that are more worried about being targeted. And this is, if you guys don't have an air-gapped laptop or a specific computer that you just use for doing your portfolio management, you really need to consider it. This is our preferred board. We like the BioStar TB250. Although, now that we have a bunch of the FPGA cards coming, I don't think those are going to work, are they, Spencer?
No, they
aren't. We're going to need something probably like the Z71 or the X71.
Max PCIe lanes.
Yeah, we need at least 40 lanes if we're going to be using Acorns as well. So this is our temporary cooling fix until our AC gets in. But come on over here. Let me show you where I learn everything now. We've got a new spot set up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So see this here. This is our new workstation. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 monitors and a TV. And the advantage to this is we can watch all our stock market stuff in real time. So here, pass me the phone, I'll show you guys. This is our new setup. 1, 2, 3, TV, another monitor, We've got a real-time, this is going to be running our stats for the different equipment here, so we can take a look at a glance. And of course we got a MacBook Pro, which is currently for sale if anyone needs one. But that's where we're at right now. The office is growing. We're looking at getting a new space as well for equipment, because we've basically run out of power here. And we keep building new machines for more people all the time. So if you guys have any questions, I'll give you a rundown real quick. We're mining Ethereum, Libri, and LibriCoin and Loki right now. We're using the XMR stack on the CPU, and we're using the Claymore dual miner on the GPUs. All of this is paid for itself with profit. We didn't put any money in initially. So what you're seeing right here, this is all pure profit, baby, pure profit. So if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to message me, Alex Hillman. Do not hesitate to mention Spencer Daymore. Message our page, Crypto Kings. Join us in the FPGA group, or just get a hold of me on Motorcycles Vancouver on YouTube. But regardless, we're here to help. Please ask us questions, ask us tuning, ask us memory rates, ask us about optimization. Ask us, we'll have an argument with you why we like the 1070 cards better than the AMD cards. We got reasons for everything we're doing, and we're pretty sure we're right. But if we're wrong, and you can let us know, we'll pay you in crypto too. So we're always looking to learn. We're always looking for more people to join the team. So if you guys are interested, just get a hold of me. Good Guy Biker for Crypto Kings, out.